Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Want to give a huge shout out to UAG for giving me the opportunity to do a first here on my Project 13, review a smart watch strap, the active strap for my Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, a freebie from Samsung just for purchasing the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra that I'm actually using right now to shoot this video with. Now, all the information that you'll need to know about the active strap will be down below in the description area. There'll be a couple links, one for Amazon, the other for the actual UAG website. And with that, let's go ahead and check out this very nice bold packaging. That's what you get from UAG because they give you bold quality products. Active strap. Smartwatch, 22 millimeter lugs, 50 meters ISO, 22/810, basically telling you that the strap, the nylon strap, is water resistant. The security you need to take your watch along for the ride. UAG straps are built to go further. Hook and loop fastener security, stainless steel, custom hardware, and you have this area here which lets you know that this strap is compatible with, and take a moment to check out that information there. But whether you order over at Amazon or the UAG website, please read everything. All right, and with that, let's go ahead and pull out the strap. Yeah, that is nice. The UAG brand name right there. You got a pin right in here. Quick release pin. Should make it pretty darn easy to get it on my Galaxy Watch 4. And that is definitely not plastic. That's awesome. And here's your other pin there. And your quick release pin. So what I'm going to do is release the straps from my Watch 4. Be patient with me. You know, I haven't worn a watch since high school. I just don't like anything around my wrists. It just bothers me, man. But since receiving the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 and using it, the practicality is definitely 100%. As far as for me and what I need from it in my life, connected to my S22 Ultra day in and day out, especially at work, being able to receive my notifications, just being able to utilize the different tools, widgets that you can use. It is very practical, and I'm super stoked that I'm getting used to this watch being around my wrist, because now that I'm getting used to it, I don't think I'm ever going to go back. I know a lot of you have been telling me to pick up a watch for a long time, and well, it's finally here, and I get to sport this UAG active strap with it. And this part of the strap is going to go right in here. And so I'm probably going to speed up the video a little bit because this might take a little bit of time. This is what it looks like. Got the UAG brand name right up in here. That is a metal buckle there. That is really cool. It is not plastic. Got the Velcro on this side here. Very nice. Got the shorter strap up top. That's what it looks like from the back. Yeah, that is really nice. Nylon material, really tough, really tough. Water resistant. I will definitely be sporting this today. You let me know what you think. just gives you an idea of what this strap, the active strap from UAG, is going to look like on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. And now we're going to put it on, which is another thing, because I'm not used to putting on watches. And just go right through here like this and utilize the Velcro. Okay, that patch looks pretty bold there. Loosen it up a little bit. There we go. And we're going to wipe down the watch. I want this to look good. Now you tell me. Bam, right? That looks good. That looks good. Let's get a close-up. See what that looks like right there. Right back in here, the UAG brand name right there. Perfect fit. 22 millimeter lug area there, the distance. And yeah. And I'll probably give you an update on how this strap does during an early morning vlog, but I am loving it. I am loving it. Huge shout out to UAG. It's a first. Anything I missed, please leave that down below in the comment section. All the information down below in the description area. More straps to come from UAG Urban Armor Gear, and that is definitely nice. I think I love the feel of the nylon a lot better than the rubber standard strap here. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's just kind of slippery, and I just like this. It's rugged, man. It's rugged. And it feels good. It looks more like me. This is really, really sleek, and the rugged look, it fits my personality and character. So yeah, I'm digging it. All right, everybody, I'm done talking. Peace. Stay safe and healthy. I am out.